everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. In order to enable dark mode on Snapchat, usually you'll be able to find the dark mode option in the App Appearance tab. Tap open your Snapchat application and sign into your account if necessary. Now, go and tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner. Go to Settings at the upper right and scroll all the way down and search for App Appearance. Since the App Appearance option is not available for everyone, for those who cannot find the dark mode option within the application, there is a solution for it. You can go ahead and tap open your Play Store and search for Dark Mode Snapchat. Once you do that, you'll be able to find an app named Snapchat Dark Mode Toggler. Simply download the application on your device. Remember that this application will only work if your phone is rooted. That way you can enable Snapchat Dark Mode within the app if available, but since Snapchat Dark Mode is initially only available to a limited number of users, you can also enable the dark mode by downloading the application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.